Thank you for the opportunity to present today and for including me on the panel yesterday on leadership of our chancellors. And of course, for your ongoing commitment to improving student success, time to degree, and lowering student debt incurred by the students we serve. As this is my first presentation to you, by way of introduction, I'm a member of a philosophy department where my primary class is business ethics. I'm also a director of an interdisciplinary online degree program serving mostly working adults, often referred to as partway home students. My goals in my term as chair of the Faculty Assembly are fourfold. 1, to improve communication flows going up from the faculty to you, and to improve them going back down to the faculty from you. To align the Faculty Assembly advisory role with the strategic plan, the established metrics, and the priorities of the board and the system office. To work with our delegations to improve shared governance and communications at their institutions. And lastly, to help faculty know the system, to meet and hear directly from system office staff and governors. Couple of notes on Faculty Assembly. We are advisory to the System Office, the Board of Governors, and to the Legislature. We have a similar committee structure to the board to better serve as a resource to you. We stand ready to assist you in our advisory capacity to help meet our common goals. And I will note this marks the 50th year this December of the Faculty Assembly. We had our first meeting last week, and we established the following priorities and issues for discussion. Understanding the implications and incentives of the new funding model. To learn more about Project Kitty Hawk and how we can be involved to help retain students into the UNC system. To monitor the Deloitte ROI study to ensure data is accurate and tells the true story of what we do. To follow up on the work of the 2020 Racial Equity Task Force report. To identify new ways to define and track faculty workload to accurately capture the value created by faculty. For example, Dr. Robert Tabor at Fayetteville State University and Faculty Assembly Delegate is today participating in the Communities of Action event on the White House grounds. The White House. And I thought I had a big day. This shows the example of one of the many things that faculty do that simply isn't captured when we look at how many organized courses that they teach. Mental health is also a big issue for us, not just for students, but also for faculty, because faculty wellness impacts student wellness. We want to address the lack of funding for maintenance and facilities that was referenced earlier, particularly with the underfunding of our IT infrastructure. We want to look at salary compression and inequity, work to improve retention and morale by addressing the great resignation and disengagement that we see in all workplaces these days. We had a great discussion about free speech on campus, which you can imagine always comes up in election years. And we discussed how we can best advise the system office and governors. A couple of concluding comments. You have a standing invitation to speak to us at any time, and we are ready to participate whenever invited. Thank you for the opportunity to present this update to you, for all the work you do for the people of the state, and please know that the Faculty Assembly stands ready to be a reliable partner in providing a world-class education for North Carolinians. Just say the word.
Mr. Mackey, thank you very much for your comments. We appreciate the partnership and look very much forward to working with you for the next 2 years, I believe. Is that right? Great. And Governor Bradley, thank you.